Introducing the Robo Whiteboard. It's a whiteboard that writes itself, erases itself, and remembers what's being written on it. It's probably the kind of thing that people in the year 2000 would have expected from a whiteboard in 2023. It does all of the things a regular whiteboard does. You can write on it or tell it to write for you. You can erase it, but if you accidentally erase something important, the Robo Whiteboard can retrieve it. You can even have it write a bunch of scientific gobbledygook if you're expecting important company and want to make a good impression. Use the Robo Whiteboard to pre-populate content for a meeting. Use the Robo Whiteboard to produce accurate graphics and charts updated in real time. Use the Robo Whiteboard to draw perfect circles because people really suck at that. You can use the Robo Whiteboard to recall content from a previous meeting. You can use the Robo Whiteboard to save content from a meeting to your phone and a computer. You can even connect multiple Robo Whiteboards to unlock the power of remote collaboration across vast distances and time zones. This is the kind of whiteboard that Iron Man would use. The Robo Whiteboard is the perfect tool for educators, businesses, designers, or anyone who regularly uses a whiteboard to collaborate on projects and get things done. Is the Robo Whiteboard truly essential? Not really. You don't necessarily need a Robo Whiteboard. Is it useful? Yes. It's a robotic whiteboard that writes itself and erases itself and remembers what's being written on it. Is it cool? Absolutely. It's a freaking robotic whiteboard. Is Robo Whiteboard a real product? Obviously not yet. If it was, I wouldn't be showing you a bunch of stupid renderings. Also, if you're an expert in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, mechatronics, or machine learning, we want to hear from you. And if you're just a random internet person who wants to see this product come to life, join us on Patreon and Substack to watch the journey from prototype to production. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Have an awesome day.